Hi everyone, welcome to my channel SAP S4HANA Flow. In today's session, we are going to learn one of the most important procurement activities, how to create a purchase order with reference to a contract in S4HANA. So this topic extremely useful for MM end users and buyers, procurement executives, and even fresher who is preparing for the interviews. So I will walk you through the step-by-step process inside SAP, explain each field, and also show how referencing a contract helps in purchasing and pricing controls. So let's get started. First, I will show you what is meant by contract and the definition of contract. So, what is a contract? A contract in SAP MM is a long-term agreement between the company and a vendor. So, key points here. So, it contains agreed pricing and conditions. Also, validity end date, valid to date. So, for a specific period and used as a reference for creating purchase orders. And in SAP, we have two types of contract. One is the value contract, and other one is the quantity contract. Now, I will show you in the system how to create a purchase order with reference to a contract. So let's get started. So this is our SAP system. So in system, first we will check the contract. So to check the contract, to display the contract, we have the T code ME33K. So we will enter the contract number. In my case, I have this contract number that is 2100010009. So press enter. So you can see the contract information here, like this is the agreement number, this is the supplier number, and the agreement type, and also we have currency, agreement date. Also you can find in item level material number, short text, description of material, and target quantity, net price, and unit of measurement, plant, storage location. So in a header, you can find the agreement date, validity start date, validity end date, company code, purchasing group, purchasing organization, payment term. So this in so this information you can find in the contract. So let's see how to create the purchase order with reference to this contract. So I will copy this contract number. So we have the T code to create the purchase order like ME21N, same T code we need to use to create the purchase order with reference to contract. So now you can see the document overview option here above. So you need to click on that. Once you click, you will find the one tab here like selection variant for first icon. So you need to click on there and you can see the contract option. Those third option, you need to select that. So also you can create the purchase order with reference to quotation, with reference to contract, with reference to scheduling agreement, with reference to purchase requisition. So you have the many options here, so you can select as per your requirement. So in this case, we are going to create the contract, sorry, purchase order with reference to contract. So I will select the third option. So I have selected the third option. So next screen will this in the screen. So we need to enter the contract number. So in my case, so I know the contract number, but in your case, if you don't know the contract number, so you need to go here and search like you have the multiple option, multiple filter here. So as per that, you can search here your contract number and select the appropriate contract. So I have entered my contract number here. So you just need to click on execute button here above. And once you click on execute, sorry, so then the one contract number will appear here. So you have the two option now. So you can this pick this contract number, drag and directly you can drop this into this basket. And other option is you can select this contract number like a single click, and then you need to click on this adopt button. You can see the second button is adopt button. So you need to click on there. So once you click, so system will pick the every details from the contract. So the material number, delivery date, net price, and the plant, material group, storage location, and you can see the system picked here, the info record number also, and the our contract number. Contract number is nothing but the agreement number and the line item. So system will automatically pick these details from the contract, and in header also you can see the org data. In org data, our purchase organization, purchase group, company code, it's automatically picked. So so now you need to enter the quantity, whatever quantity you require. You just need to enter the quantity. So in my case, if I required 10 quantity, so I will enter the 10. So just click on and press enter, press enter. So once you enter the quantity, you just need to click on this check button. So check button you can see green and orange box here. So you need to click on this button, and you can see the messages here. So messages, we have all the warning messages, we can ignore that. Also, if we have any error message, system will show you directly here. But in our case, we have all the warnings, so we can ignore these warnings, and we can save our purchase order. So to save the purchase order, so we have the button here above, like save button. So you just need to click on save, and system will again ask like, do you want to save the document or process data? So yes, you need to click on save again. So once you save, the our PO will be created, and this is our the PO number. So you can save this PO number for reference. So in this way we can create the contract, sorry, PO with reference to the contract. And here are the some benefits of creating PO with reference to contract. So it ensures the accurate pricing, reduces manual entry. So once we select the reference contract, so system will pick automatically every details, material number, plant, everything. So it will reduce the manual entry and errors. And other is track consumption of contract value quantity. System will also show us the how much quantity we consume, and that we can check in the contract also. And also it improves procurement transparency. So, these are the steps. I explained you in the systems. So, T code ME21N, document type we selected, document overview on that also we selected. So from drop down list we selected the contract. So these steps I already showed you. And so this is how we create the purchase order with reference to contract. And create so we have conclusion here, like creating a PO with reference to a contract, ensure accurate pricing and simplifies the procurement, and improves compliance. And this method is recommended for the organization with the long-term supplier agreements. So in this way, we can create the purchase order with reference to contract. So thanks for watching my video.